Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be transforming my Timberlands. I didn't want to get rid of them. I love these, but let me show you guys what's going on. They are a little cracked. I know y'all can see that, like right there. I don't like that, so we're gonna cover that up. I think I'm gonna glitter them up. It'll be my first time doing that, so we're gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna do like a light gold or something. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we are going to clean these off. And then I got Kanaya here. She's not doing anything Timberland. She wants to do her Crocs. Hey guys! She wants to do her Crocs.
Yeah,
So she's going to glitter hers up too. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean up our shoes. So stay tuned and watch, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this tape and I am going to put it around the areas that I don't want the glitter or the glue to be on. So that's what we're going to do next. Y'all, so this is how shoes looking, and I taped off all the areas that I did not want the glitter to go on. So that's what it's looking like, y'all. That's cute too. Y'all like that? Yeah. So next we are going to start the glittering process. Yes, so let's get that started. Alright y'all, so this is the glitter that we're going to use. Got this from Walmart. I'm going to be using the gold, and then we're going to be using this. This stuff is the truth. Really. This stuff is the truth. I think it's about like $7-8 maybe. But this sticks like nothing before. So we're going to use these items and also some Mod Podge. So let's get this started, y'all. So that I don't get the glitter everywhere on the carpet, I'm going to be using a box, and then I got some plastic on the bottom of it to kind of help with the mess, because we don't want these messy. And then I'm going to spray this on this side first, glitter it down, and then move on to the next. You want to do it like in sections so that the glue won't dry more on the other side, and it'll be more even out. So we're going to spray this, put the glitter on, then go to the other side, spray, and put the glitter on. We're going to basically do that all around the shoe, and then we're going to go over it with Mod Podge, and then we're going to repeat the process. So let's speed this up. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.